Hello everyone. It's Tuesday, March 10th, 2026, and I'm uploading this short video clip to review yesterday's forecasts, part of an ongoing process to establish a track record documenting the validity and reliability of AeroPrice Dynamics, a system of trading financial assets that I believe has the potential to one day rival such industry titans as the Medallion Fund. If you saw yesterday's video, you might recall that I said my bias was to buy the Aussie dollar Japanese yen following a deep pullback. The pair did indeed retreat for a spell, but the pullback was relatively shallow. This led me to do a bit of digging to determine if I might not be better able to pinpoint precisely where I should probably anticipate such maneuvers occurring, and here is what I determined. Recall that my bullish bias on this pair would continue as long as the rate stayed above 110.91, which was based on an 8-hour trend structure. However, that data alone didn't offer enough clarity on where pullbacks were likely to exhaust before price might get back in line with the main trend. It turns out that dialing in on those exact turning points requires layering in both the 8-hour temporal support resistance zones and the 4-hour statistical levels. If I'd done that here, it would have shown me not only where to step into a long position with confidence, but to also do so for all the other pairs that ended up reaching my projected targets, except that they began doing so sooner than I expected. The ultimate goal of this project is to arrive at a system that rivals the kinds of returns enjoyed by the Medallion Fund, but to do so in a very different way. Instead of relying on a modest predictive edge of a little over 50% across millions of trades, or a tiny average edge of around plus 0.15% over a 2 to 3 day horizon, while working hard to minimize commissions. The bid-ask spread, slippage, and the market impact that comes from trading massive positions, the aim here is to achieve an extraordinary predictive edge north of 80 or even 90%. The idea is to make a disciplined number of carefully selected trades limited in size, each with a holding period of no more than several hours, where the distance between entry and exit levels is so massive that commissions, spreads, and slippage are essentially negligible. I invite you to come back from time to time and see how things are progressing, and to follow along as this approach is tested, refined, and hopefully proven out in real time. In the meantime, I want to wish you the best of luck. And until next time, if indeed there actually is a next time, stay awesome. But bye for now.